Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain. Thanks for checking into our YouTube channel. So today we're showing you the Fender Eliminator kit from Tusk for the new KLR650. If you have this bike and you want to get rid of that big, bulky stock fender that hangs down low that is just in the way, do yourself a favor and get this kit. Because when you do this and you have it installed, it's going to move your license plate up higher and closer to the bike, and it's just a lot better looking, nice and sleek. So when you buy this kit, it's going to come with your powder-coated aluminum relocation bracket. What's nice is that you don't have to modify anything on your motorcycle. We have a great how-to video, shows you step-by-step how to get this installed. But it's going to come with that bracket, which does have a light on it. And then you have this HDPE license plate backing that will also come included. So you just screw your license plate to that, mount it, or screw it onto the actual bracket. You're good to go. So again, for the new KLR650, if you want to get rid of that big, bulky, not so good looking rear fender and make it have just a much more sleek look, sits closer to the bike, this Eliminator kit is exactly what you need. If you do have questions though, we would love to get those answered, so make sure leave those in the comment section below. To grab one of these for your KLR, it's simple, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As you can see, we also have a lot of other great accessories for the new KLR. We've got top racks, we've got pannier racks, we have crash bars, all the good accessories that you're gonna need, so be sure to check those out as well. We ship for free over 75 bucks. If you like this video, get subscribed, hit that notification bell, and that'll keep you up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.